Hey everyone, my name is Matt. Welcome to my shop. Today is May 2nd and this is my weekly shop update. So, since everyone seemed to really enjoy my dropping in last week, figured I'd try again this week. Let me know what you think of that drop in versus last week's spin and drop. So first off, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who stopped by at the Northern Wood Show. It was so awesome to meet everyone I did, and it was also really cool to get a lot of messages with pictures of people like hanging out by my highboy, or like just sending me a picture saying, hey, look what I found at the mall. So that was just really awesome. And also I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who watched the summary video that I posted last week of the show and left some awesome comments. When I went back after I had posted that video and I was talking to a lot of the other people that were showing their work there and had seen the video already, they said that they had watched that, they really liked the video, but they really liked the fact that when they got past the video and they're looking at the comments, just all the really awesome comments just really meant a lot to them. So big thank you to everyone who left some awesome comments on there. I know they were greatly appreciated. So this week is probably going to be a little bit fast and sloppy for this update video. Lindsay and I are flying out in, like 5 hours. We'll be heading over to the UK. We'll be there for Makers Central in Birmingham. I'm looking forward to that. That's this weekend. So if you are in the area, you're planning to attend, looking forward to seeing as many people there as possible. It's gonna be a fun time. Fun time. And then after the show, Lindsay and I will be heading on vacation. We'll be in Italy for a week, so you probably won't hear much from me because I will be taking a vacation with my wife for like the first time in at least since before we had kids, or since we've had kids. So yeah, looking forward to that. So I did finish up the last of the waterfall tables. That thing is out of here. They're all out of here, and it's pretty exciting. I got them out yesterday to take pictures, and now they're in the house. So let me show you how those ones all turned out. So here I am in a sea of waterfall tables. So this is the table that I was finishing up last week. This thing turned out absolutely awesome. I just love the look of the glass in there. It definitely has I'm gonna go ahead and say it has a more elegant look than the epoxy, but that's just my opinion. The base also looks pretty awesome on there. That's that boiled linseed oil kind of bronze finished steel, which I think complements the look of the elm quite nicely. And of course, you have that nice waterfall crotch grain going over there. So this one is my favorite, but the other two are not bad either. On the epoxy one, I did do a slightly different base, if I can get that spun around. So on this one, I just have like a brushed steel kind of look on here. So another option as opposed to the other one, which has that heated bronze thing. And then the ash table has that wood base. They all have the same kind of trapezoidal shape. 3 different, finishes or options on those. But these things just turned out really, really awesomely, and I'm quite happy with where things are at with these. So the last videos in the guild project will be out in the next couple of weeks. That's the glass river table build. 2 videos for that, going through the entire process of building that table with the glass river option. And then the wrap-up video will be out, and then that project will be all done, and that's about it. So if you want to check out the guild project, we'll link to that down in the description. And then when I get back, I'll be putting together the build video here for all you guys here on YouTube to check out the whole build process, just like I did with the highboy. So look for that probably in a few weeks. And yeah, I'll be swimming over here in the waterfalls. So that's literally all that's going on with me this week. Let's take a look at some viewer projects. First this week is a wall-mounted workbench by Tom. Tom built this bench for his tiny wood shop, and the bench is almost 6 feet long and the top is 3 inches thick. The bench is made from reclaimed walnut from his family's farm. His grandfather sawed all the walnut into lumber himself almost 100 years ago. Tom mounted a quick release vise on the bench, and that was a hand-me-down from his grandfather. Next is the desk by Daniel. The design is heavily influenced by George Nakashima's conoid desk. This was Daniel's capstone project for his senior year in woodshop. It's made out of sweet gum and walnut, and is finished with armor seal satin. You can find more of Daniel's work over on his Facebook page. Next is the coffee table by Zave. Zave built this coffee table for his brother and his fiancée. It's made from walnut, and the legs are made with half-lap joints to connect all the pieces. He says this is his first project that he designed in SketchUp, which was a huge help in figuring out all of the angles. Last this week is a DNA helix side table by Will. Will's sister just got her PhD in molecular biology, and he decided to make her this side table featuring a DNA helix. The majority of the table is cherry, with the helixes being a laminated walnut, and the tenon wedges, which are purple heart. Will also has a build album that shows all the steps of making the table, and I'll leave a link to that down in the description. So again, really looking forward to seeing everyone at Maker Central. It should be a good trip overall. I'll be doing some catch-up work. I got some writing I have to do that I've been meaning to do for a long time, so I'll be busy in my own regard, I guess. But that's all I have for this week. Thank you as always for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments about anything I talked about today, anything here in my shop, please feel free to leave me a comment. As well, to be happy to answer any questions you might have. And until next time, happy woodworking.